So it's not like, oh, I have to bang this book out. No, I have to read one article and it changed a lot. Like on managing yourself was, dude, I bought little monkeys. Do you know? I bought little plush monkeys and I was giving them to people. Like, yo, because
That's funny.
The one main thing was when someone comes in, you know, one of your managers comes in and drops a problem on you and walks out the door, and then you're holding the problem. Like, that's not what it's supposed to be. So I explained to everybody, we you know, it's monkeys on your back. You got to send them out with the monkey. I had, remember?
You gave the whole batch to me. You said when everybody walks in this room,
Yeah.
just hand the monkey back.
Give the monkey, dude. Yeah, they were cool.